Welcome all. Our today's topic is IP addresses, and we will cover the FTP also in this lecture. In the previous lecture, we have learned about TCP, IP, and this is a combination of two terms TCP and IP, Transmission Control Protocol. We have discussed in the last lecture. Today, we will cover the next part, that is IP, Internet Protocol of that particular. This is like Internet Protocol is responsible for the basic network connectivity when mapped to the TCP/IP, and this IP means Internet Protocol will work with the network layer. It work with the network layer. Now, why IP address is not same? As we all know that IP address is like our postal address, and no two houses have the same postal addresses. Like any courier, anything that come by post to your house, and if your house and your neighbor house postal address will be same, then there will be confusion. Then where to deliver the particular item? Okay, so same as here in the era of computer networks, then no two computer should have same IP addresses. So every computer, every device connected to the internet must have a unique IP address to have. Okay, this is called IP address, and it works like as your postal address. Now we will check what is the structure of IP address. What is the form of this IP address? The IP address is a 32-bit number divided into two sections. First one is network number, and the second one is host number. Addresses are written as four fields, 8-bit, each separated by a period, and the number of every field is ranging from 0 to 255. Clear? This method of addressing is called dotted decimal notation, and the IP address will look like you can see on your screen is field 1, 2, 3, and 4. Four fields, and all these fields are separated by dots. Okay, and the range of every field is 0 to 255. As you have seen and many time, the IP address like 255, we can use it here like 255.32.0.0. It look like this. These are called IP addresses. Okay, in detail you can know about this in the subject computer networks. The transmission control protocol, internet protocol, TCP, we have discussed in the last lecture. We can again elaborate this, as TCP/IP uses IP to deliver packets to the upper layers applications and provide a reliable stream of data among computers on the network. As we have discussed in TCP/IP lecture that there are 5 different layers, and every layer have different works, and by through these layers our data will travel from one device to another. Now another protocol is FTP. Like as TCP IP is important to connect with another device, same as FTP is more important to transfer files between two devices. Okay, and FTP has a advantage that it will transfer files or transfer data irrespective of operating system. Suppose you have Windows, another computer have Linux or MS DOS, and we have Android, anything, then without taking care of it, these operating systems, we can send our data. And that protocol which manage these things, that is FTP, means file transfer protocol. It is not just a protocol, but it acts like a service and an application. As we have discussed, FTP provides the facility to transfer files between two devices and without taking care of the operating system, which operating system means which system using any kind of operating system. Okay, so this is all done in this lecture. Prepare your good quality notes and be in learning mode always.